The very first thing you'll need to do is head over to the FreshBooks website. You'll likely see a prominent button that says something like, "Try it free" or "Sign up." Click on that. FreshBooks typically offers a free trial period, which is a fantastic way to explore all its features without any initial commitment. During the sign-up process, you'll be asked for some basic information, your name and email address. This is how FreshBooks will identify you and communicate with you. Your business name. This will appear on your invoices and other documents. A secure password. Choose something strong and unique to protect your account. Your industry. Optional but helpful. This can help FreshBooks tailor some of its features and suggestions to your specific needs. Once you've filled in these details, you'll likely need to agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. Take a quick look through these to understand your rights and responsibilities. After that, hit the Create Account or similar button, and congratulations, you've taken the first step. 2. Setting up your business profile, your digital footprint. Now that you have an account, it's time to personalize it with your business information. This ensures that all your financial documents are accurate and professional. Look for a Settings or Profile section within your FreshBooks dashboard. Here's what you'll typically need to fill out. Business details. Double-check your business name and consider adding your legal structure, sole proprietorship, LLC, etc., if relevant. Address and contact information. Include your business address, phone number, and website if you have one. This information will appear on your invoices, making it easy for clients to reach you. Logo. Optional but recommended. Uploading your business logo adds a professional touch to your invoices and branding. FreshBooks usually makes this process straightforward. Currency and time zone. Ensure these are set correctly for your location to avoid any confusion with transactions and reporting. Take a few minutes to complete this section accurately. It's a foundational step that will save you time and ensure professionalism down the line. 3. Connecting your bank account. Streamlining transactions. To truly leverage FreshBooks for expense tracking and potentially even online payments, depending on your plan, you'll want to connect your business bank accounts. This allows FreshBooks to automatically import your transactions, making expense logging much easier. Look for a Banking or Connect Bank section. FreshBooks uses secure third-party services to connect to your bank, so your financial information is protected. You'll typically search for your bank and then enter your online banking credentials. Don't worry, FreshBooks doesn't store this sensitive information directly. Once connected, you can categorize your transactions within FreshBooks, providing a clear picture of your income and expenses. 4. Familiarizing yourself with the dashboard, your central hub. The FreshBooks dashboard is your command center. Take some time to explore it and understand where everything is located. You'll typically find sections for invoices, creating, sending, and managing your invoices, expenses, tracking your business-related costs, clients, managing your customer information, projects, if applicable to your plan, organizing tasks and tracking time for specific projects, reports, generating insights into your financial performance, time tracking, if applicable to your plan, recording billable hours. Click through each section to get a feel for its layout and the available features. Don't be afraid to click buttons and explore. You can't break anything. 5. Creating your first invoice. Getting paid made easy. One of the core functions of FreshBooks is invoicing. Let's walk through creating your first one. Navigate to the Invoices section. Click on New Invoice or a similar button. Select a client. If you haven't added your client yet, you'll be prompted to do so. You'll need their name, email address, and potentially their billing address. Add line items. This is where you describe the services or products you're invoicing for. Include a clear description, the quantity, and the rate per unit. FreshBooks will automatically calculate the subtotal. Add taxes, if applicable. If you need to charge sales tax, you can set this up in your settings and apply it to the invoice. Set payment terms. Specify when the invoice is due, e.g., net 15, net 30, due on receipt. Add notes or messages. Optional, you can include a personalized message for your client. Review and send. Double-check all the information for accuracy, and then click Send. You'll usually have the option to send it via email directly through FreshBooks. Congratulations! You've sent your first invoice. FreshBooks will then help you track its status. Sent, viewed, paid.